Mohammed Shahzad from Repair My Mobile. So today I want to show you the big update of UMT in 8.0. If you want to download the latest setup, you can come on our website UMT dongle for Repair My Mobile and download the latest version UMT 8.0. What is the changes of 8.0 and 7.9 the previous? In 7.9 you can download unlock your Oppo phone like your A53 also, but that model, that case and that setup need loader file for unlock. In UMT 8.0, you can easily unlock without loader file. How? So you have to download and upload, install your system, and you will get 8.0 website here, and you will get the update report here also. So this is your update of Oppo A33 UFS MMC. How? Go on Qualcomm heuristic mode and select your model manually like A32, A553, A73, A95, F17, 19, 19S, Find X2 Lite, Reno 10X Zoom, Reno 5G, Realme XT, X50 Pro 5G. So this is a big update for UMT user, so you can unlock without loader of your phone. Also, it's have a big changes on read and tools. It's a getting Vivo Fastboot model notification directly on your Udon tools. So connect your phone on Fastboot mode and you can unlock your Vivo Qualcomm model, and also you can work off Nova Hawaii. So it's a big update of UMT user. If you have any query, any doubt, you can comment me on the comment section or below the video. And if you want to join and if you want to learn this UMT, how to use this one, so you can take our online training platform, Repair My Mobile. Thank you very much for watching. This is Muhammad Shahzad from Repair My Mobile.